Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 3 exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Before getting to that exercise you must be knowing some trigonometric identities. First one, sine of x plus y that is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Number 2, sine of x minus y that is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Number 3, cos of x plus y that is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Number 4, cos of x minus y that is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Number 5, tan of x plus y that is equal to tan x plus tan y whole divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. And number 6, tan of x minus y that is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Right. Now, exercise 3.4, problem number 1. You are given the values of sin x cos y and the angle x lies between 0 and 90 degrees, pi by 2 that is 90 degree. Even y lies between 0 and 90 degrees. Find the values of sin of x plus y, cos of x minus y and tan of x plus y. We can do one by one. So you are given sin x and cos y. First you have to find out cos x and sin y. Then only we can do all the three subdivisions. So how to find cos x and sin y? Listen. Solution. We know that cos x that is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square x. Here plus or minus, that's a formula. That is equal to a plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin x value that is given 15 by 17. 15 by 17 the whole square. That is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus 15 square is 225. 17 square is 289. That is equal to plus or minus the LCM is 289. In numerator you will be writing 289 minus 225. That is equal to plus or minus square root of 289 minus 225, that is equal to 64 divided by 289, that is equal to plus or minus 64 square root is 8 and 289 square root is 17, right? So we have cos x, the double values, one is plus 8 by 17 and another one is minus 8 by 17. Since x lies between 0 and 90 degree, since x lies between 0 and 90 degree, in first quadrant 0 to 90 degree, that's the first quadrant. In first quadrant everything is positive only, so they have to consider only positive value. Cos x, it should be only 8 by 17. Automatically the minus will be neglected. Now you have to find out sin y. We know that sin y that is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square y. That is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos y, that value is given in the question. Cos y that is equal to 12 by 13. 12 divided by 13 the whole square. That is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. That is equal to plus or minus square root of 169 minus 144 divided by 169. That is equal to plus or minus square root of 169 minus 144, that is equal to 25 divided by 169. 25 square root is 5, 169 square root is 13, 5 by 13. So sin y which implies sin y that is equal to plus or minus 5 by 13. Since y lies between 0 and 90 degree, 0 and 90 degree, that is first quadrant all positive only, so we have to consider only positive value. 5 divided by 13, negative value will be eliminated. Now subdivision number 1, that is sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y, that is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. That is the formula. Then you have to substitute all the values. Sin x value that is given in the question 15 by 17 into cos y that is also given 12 by 13 plus cos x value we got it, that is 8 by 17, 8 divided by 17, and the sin y value here it is 5 by 13 equals 15 12s are 180, 17 13s are 221 plus 8 5s are 40 divided by 17 13s are 221. Okay, now we have the common denominator 221. You just add the numerator 180 plus 40, that is equal to 220 divided by 221. That is the value of sin of x plus y. Now subdivision number 2, cos of x minus y. Cos of x minus y that is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. You have to substitute all the values. Cos x value that is 8 by 17. Cos y value that is given in the question 12 by 13 plus sin x value that is given 15 by 17, and the sin y value we got it, that is 5 divided by 13 equals 17 13s are 221, 8 12s are 96, 15 5s are 75 divided by 221, 17 13s are 221. So common denominator 221, just add the numerator 96 plus 75 equals 171 divided by 221. Now subdivision number 3. Subdivision number 3, tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y, we can apply the formula tan x plus tan y, tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. First we can find tan x. Tan x that is equal to sin x divided by cos x. Sin x value that is given in the question, that is 15 by 17, 15 divided by 17. Cos x value that is 8 by 17, 8 divided by 17, 17 get cancelled, that is equal to 15 by 18. That is the value of tan x. Now tan y. Tan y that is equal to sin y divided by cos y. Sin y value we got it, that is 5 by 13. Cos y value that is given in the question 12 by 13. 13 13 get cancelled, 5 by 12. Therefore tan of x plus y, tan of x plus y that is equal to tan x plus tan y. Tan x value is 15 by 8 plus tan y value is 5 by 12. divided by 1 minus tan x value is 15 by 8 into 5 by 12. We have to simplify. For 8 and 12, LCM is 36. Sorry, 24. 24 is the LCM for 8 and 12. 8 and 12 LCM can divide by 4 table 2 times, 3 times, by 2 table 1, 3, 3 table 1, 1, 4 2s are 8 3s are 34. 24 LCM, that is equal to 4 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 24. So for the numerator, 24 is the LCM. After that, 8 table for getting 24 3 times, 3 15s are 45, plus 12 table for getting 24 2 times, 2 5s are 10, whole divided by 1 minus 15 5s are 75, divided by 8 12s are 96, equals 45 plus 10, that is equal to 55 divided by 24 divided by LCM 96. So 96 minus 75 equals 55 by 24 divided by 96 minus 75, that is equal to 21 divided by 96, equals, write the numerator as it is 55 by 24 into reciprocal of 21 by 96 is 96 divided by 21. 24 table how many times? 4 times. 24 4s are 96. 55 into 4, that is equal to 220 divided by 21. So problem number 1 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.